keeps like blinking and like disappearing. Oh, and now it's green again. We're probably just idiots. It's probably just a drone.
It probably is, but
It's weird.
this is really weird. Yeah, it's green again. And it's just hovering again.
Oh, maybe it's someone's drone. They're trying to get a good, like, video of the star.
Maybe? I don't know. I feel stupid. Yeah, like, what the hell is
I'll
it?
put this on Facebook, like, I found a UFO, and someone's gonna be like, it's a drone.
I wish my camera had better. Where'd it go? There it is. Now it's white again. Wait a minute. Oh, it's moving. It disappeared. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Where did it go?
You're way too invested in it.
It disappeared again.